Good morning, good evening. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have a post review of 3 diamond art gift special shape diamond paintings. I'm going to post a video in the iCard of the unboxing. But before we get to that, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell buttons. If you haven't subscribed, it's free. I'm getting there. I'm getting to 1,000 videos to choose from with different craft. Okay, we have tutorials on some of them. So if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate very much your company. Please hit the like and comment if you like this video. I will greatly appreciate it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. The first one, oh, what a beautiful kitty. Okay, for all those cat lovers, here it is. Very elegant, very regal. I had a lot of fun doing this. It was easy. It was, hardly any scratch rhinestone. But look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at all this shine. And I'm so loving, mommy. Here I am. I'm your princess. I'm your queen. And you're everything. I love the hearts. Take a look at this. This is gorgeous. A lot of sparkle for those cat lovers. A rose. I love the way they enhance the whiskers, the ears, and then the crown. I'm the queen of the house. Huh? How many of you get me as a queen of the house? You're so beautiful. I like this one. I love it. I love all of them. Okay. But here is my favorite wild animal, an owl. Okay. Here it is. Beautiful. A lot of blues on it. Also had fun doing them. I wish they would have put a special shape, one of these marquees in the claws, but that's okay. Another partial, another one. I did all of them practically in one day. So beautiful. This one have more rhinestone than special shapes. Look at that beautiful eyes. How the hands' eyes. A lot of color, a lot of reds and blues, and some purple too. This is a very colorful owl. Beautiful. Okay, now the next one is a stunner. Okay, that one I have more fun to the layer. Take a look at this. This is gorgeous, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Take a look at all the detail. This one had a lot of special shape and a lot of rhinestone, both of it. This is very, even though it's a partial, because you don't drill over here, it's full, it's very heavy. It's a little heavy. It feels a little heavy. But take a look at, I want you to take a look at all this beauty. That's a butterfly. Take a look at this. Charged with, and we have some ABs in yellow. Regular art drills AB. Aurora Borealis. Here also, I want to show you that butterfly last. Take a look at this. pure goodness, pure colors, a lot of color. But take a look at this butterfly, guys. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna put you closer to it. Here it is. Take a look at this. A lot of detail on the rhinestone side. I don't understand why it won't. Maybe if I take a look at this. Take a look at all those details on the butterfly body. Okay? And take a look at those wings. Beautiful. Very well chosen design. This butterfly was very well designed for this diamond painting. This one I did have a lot of fun. This one I finished it a while ago. I just have to eat dinner and film it. So that's why this video is coming very way late today. So sorry about that. But take a look at this. Take a look at this. All the detail, all the rhinestones. And from farther away, it looks even better. Take a look at this. Beautiful detail, beautiful colors. I mean, when you look at in the website, they usually have sales. They only have diamond paintings. And diamond art gift is a budget friendly. They usually have some sales on it. And all you have to do is to look real good, especially in the special shape section. Sometimes you might have a doubt about how this will look, but zoom in and take a closer look, because you'll be able to see have an idea on where the crystals are gonna be. Okay, but this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I mean, they threw the house through the window on this one, because this is a well thought design. And well put the colors on it. I had so much fun. So much fun. Doesn't mean that the other ones are not as pretty as this one, but this one is the one that really, 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 really. I love my owl in those bright reds and blue and purple colors. And this cutie, who be the queen of any house cat lover, in pinks and reds. And look at those beautiful eyes. I forgot to tell you about the eyes. You know, if you want to, and I forgot to do this, now that I'm thinking of, in the eyes, you can put this glaze that is a little thick, that is used for paper towel. You just put it in the eyes and let it real dry. Put it smoothly and not so thick and smooth, and they're gonna look gorgeous. They're gonna look like real. So these are the 3 from Diamond Art Gift. Okay, pretty soon I have some more. I'm dedicating at least one day of the week to diamond paint special shapes. Okay, so here it is again, the most gorgeous one of all. This one, really, 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 it was well thought out and well done. The same thing goes with the other one, because I like my bright owl. Reds and blues and purple. With a hint of orange. and then the queen cat. I call it the queen cat. You put any name you want it. This is beautiful. Well, folks, this is it. This was a quick post review of Diamond Art Gift. Don't forget the link to the store is going to be in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. They have good sales, and they might have special shapes diamond paintings that you don't find anywhere else. Okay, so thank you, and don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.